Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. I'm working with the April kits and my assignment for today is use some big cut files. And this is a new cut file. It's called the Daisy Wreath, I believe, or the Wreath, you know. And I just decided to go with a very clustering heavy flower layout. So I will not use the cut file as it meant to be, so it's not a wreath. It's just a big bunch of layered flowers. I used some white cardstock and I believe two paper strips from the March kits. The paper I used for the leaves I'm using right now, and some of the flowers are made from one of the Heidi Swap paper. Yeah. So I'm scrapping a picture from my middle one in the year of 2006, I believe, or 7. So it's over 10 years ago, and he was very little and very, just cute and adorable. And I cleaned my computer the other day, and I found a big bunch of old pictures, and yeah, I'm totally thrilled and happy that I found them, and so I printed a bunch out of them, and yeah, now it's just the first picture from minis. So I am still layering the flowers. I added some Page Evans Horizon flowers. I added a tag behind the picture, one of the Project Life cards, and a little banner that said loving this, but I would change that one just because of the color. Now I'm looking into the layered Dear Lizzie stickers, and I will use the hand and one of the strawberries, the light pink one. And I was thinking about the little camera, but I will not use that one. Yeah, I'm just looking into the stickers and into all of the die cuts and embellishments. There are a few things I wanted to use, but some of them were not working just because of the colors, or yeah, you know, sometimes it's not easy. So I changed the banner to this one, Better Together, and I think I would do a little break in a second, and I will glue everything down. I added some matching thread behind some of the flowers, some in very light pink and some thread in kind of a peachy tone. And everything is glued down with a lot of 3D squares, and there's a lot of dimension going on. And I wanted to use that globe with Young, Wild and Free, but there was no room for that, so I will not use it. But now I will look into the exclusive puffy stickers, and I will grab a few of them. This one is Hard Eyes, and I wanted to use some puffy hearts for sure, and I wanted to use the dark blue one that said Happy Days or something like that. It's not making a big difference, but I will not use that one, but I will I Love Your Smile right under the Hard Eyes puffy sticker. And I believe now I'm just looking into I will grab the little charm stickers from Crate Paper, and I will use them as middle dots from the flowers. I will not do that on all of the flowers, but I will use 3 or 4 charms, and then I will also use some of the Chimel glittered animal dots. I believe they are from Chimel. I'm not pretty sure right now, but I think so. 4 of these charms and some animal dots, and then I will I don't know, maybe I will take another break and I will have a look into the exclusive alphas, the transparency alphas, and I will place his name on the layout. And these are just some more gold stickers from the Dear Lizzie collection, I believe. And but next to that, I am nearly done. I will just play around with some of that little adorable pig. I wanted to use that. on the last layouts, and finally I found a cute spot for it. I have added some journaling. I have added 2 more butterfly stickers on top of the over the green tag, and the word Robin, his name, on the underneath the flowers. And these are the magical powders, and I just decided to add some teeny tiny splatters. And yeah, that's it. I am totally in love with that layout. It's a very dimensional, heavy, and yeah, I just had a great time getting this one together. And I'm sorry for my voice, but I am still sick at home, and but I made it out of bed today, so yay. And yeah, so you will get a close-up and some final pictures. Thank you so much for stopping by. That's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.